Oh, hi, it's me again, AJ, and welcome to the another content of our common interview question tips, tip number. Yes, so one of the common interview question is how do you handle stress or pressure? As we all know, wala pong madaling trabaho. And one of the things that your employer is looking for is how do you handle stress or pressure during the field of work. If I'm going to answer that question, my answer would be I will handle stress and pressure by staying calm and think of the bigger picture first on how I could accomplish that project and break it down into smaller tasks. I'll start to question myself what is my ultimate goal? What are the things that I would like to accomplish at the end of the day? From there, I'll make a list of action items that will help me reach the final goal. So, those are the steps that I'm going to take if ever that I'll be asked that question, how will I handle stress or pressure? So that's it for now. Continue watching my videos for more information. Thank you and bye-bye.